here we are, another one, checking out a hotel and sharing it with you guys. We are at the Marriott Downtown Providence. Just got here. I'm gonna show you a little room tour and take you around to wherever our night takes us. So right away when you walk in here, you can see this is an ADA compliant room. So this is what Marriott offers in their downtown Providence area for their ADA compliance room. We did not ask for this. This was just assigned to us. So we're happy to share this with you. We know a lot of our followers like to be able to see the amenities. So this is what we've got. Dual head shower. There was a seat in there if you wanted to take advantage of that. And we do love these products. This is the This Works products. We do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So a couple of slight different things like we probably get at another room in this property. Most of these amenities will be lower to the ground, easily accessible for those who need it. The amenities here. What's up? And right here, when you first walk in, there is a little closet with an iron, looks like an extra sheet. And then there is a low closet here with an ironing board, a couple of drawers, and a safe. So let's go show you the main part of the room. Oh, hey, Michael.
Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to Marriott in downtown Providence. So this is not exactly in the downtown area. So this is a walking distance from the Providence Place Mall, for instance, or the Amtrak station or anything of that nature. So they do say it's downtown, but it's not exactly right in the heart of downtown Providence.
Just a few minutes away from where all of the action is. We don't know exactly how long, probably about a 5-minute drive to.
I would say 2 exits. I think 26A, B, C, D is brings you to the Providence Place Mall. This was 28 on the highway here on 995.
All right.
Give you a little reference.
So let's show them their room here. We'll start over on this side. First thing we're seeing is the temperature gauge. We have played around with that a little bit. So far so good, no complaints. It is mid-February right now, so we'll probably have that heat on later, but not too high. There's a phone, a little small desk area. Again, this is close to the ground. Michael, do you want to stand next to it so we can see the reference? So that is probably up to Michael's knee length there. So very accessible if needed. And this is pretty cool here. This electronic. We should have had our phone ready to show you,
so
but we're
using it.
using
So you put a phone
it.
here, it'll charge right away. And then if you want to do the time test, hit the button here. I think it works. Last time, let me see. There it is. It says it's 5:17. On my watch, I have about 5:20, so 5:19. So it's about 2 minutes off. But I still give that a pass.
And it actually did work. We both, one has an Android and one of us has an iPhone. That actually worked for both of us, which we were kind of surprised to see because usually those aren't compatible.
You have an additional charging docks there as well as a plug there. So plenty of plug space just on this side of the bed.
And then a little kind of a bedside table there if you needed to store anything while you were sleeping. Good place to keep a book or anything next to your bed.
And if you keep as this is an ADA room, there's plenty of space. So if somebody needs to use their, needs to be moving around mobility-wise.
Yeah, nice and wide.
It's wide enough to move around. I've seen hotels that aren't wide enough like that, so they did a great job here for that.
Let's check this out. I don't think we opened this yet, Michael. Move your bag for a sec. Looks like a little storage chest here. Can you open it?
Look, it opens this way. I put that there. That's part of the refrigerator.
Got it. Okay, so another little low drawer here. So great for accessibility if you needed to reach it or store your clothes down on the ground. Couple more plugs and light fixtures here. This was a touch light, so you just go like this. So it's nice to see some upgraded
amenities and furniture. Yep. So quick thing about this property, there's parking. You have to pay $20 for parking. They don't give you a parking pass and charge it to the room directly. You have to use this little app here. So you scan the QR code on your phone, and then you put all the information and your license plate and your credit card information, and that's how you pay for parking here.
And the parking lot was nice and open when we arrived, easy to find a spot. Big parking lot outside, a couple different entrances you can use, so you know, just lots of options when you pull in here. This is, what is this, a little book explaining their bedding?
So yeah, a lot of times working in the hospitality industry, people will ask what's the bed or what kind of ropes you use, and I just think this is a brochure telling you all that information.
Got it. All right, so a few more plugs here. We do have coffee and water service, more lights.
We do have a chicken parm throwdown plane there. Shameless plug. This is Tabolo. This is a restaurant in Warwick, Rhode Island, I believe.
Yeah, that was a great spot. Want to open cabinets?
Sure. So you got a fridge here.
You know we love a room that comes with a fridge.
So we got to stock with some handy dandy, some Corona Premiers for the lovely lady.
If you know us, you know that's our typical fridge when we travel. We've got coffee, we've got a few different drink options for us. We do have more storage here if you wanted them, a Bible, a couple of glasses.
So Marriott standard is Bible and a Book of Mormon. They have both always.
And a nice chaise lounge over here. So let's check out the view.
Right.
So I think you want to push sheer and then up. Playing around with that earlier. So automatic.
And is it going to be a cheers or a jeers, ladies and gentlemen?
Wow, the sunset's coming together nicely.
The view's a little jeers. You got a highway there. You got some graffiti that not nicely even done graffiti over there.
Yeah, so you know you're in the city, so
Look
you're
at that hill of trash.
Yep, you're in the city, so you can't expect too much when it comes to the views, but at least it's a nice sunset.
And just to give you an idea, as you can see, this is not per se downtown Providence, so I'm gonna say 10 minutes away from the downtown area, probably by car.
And here's that parking lot we were talking about. So it is empty. This is all part of the Marriott parking. It does go all the way around the building. That is more of the building right there. And these windows, I think, might open. Yep, you know we love a window that opens. We love that fresh air.
You just can't do that during rush hour, or you will be in the cars.
Yeah, close that up. So again, automatic blinds, which is a nice touch. That might just be for the ADA rooms, we're not sure. The bed is also lower than normal, easy in, easy out. More plugs and USB over here.
There's no paintings really for a dust test. I'll try and do one up here, see what happens.
Maybe on the TV.
Let's see what happens when we do that. Didn't pull up much, so they get a pass there. They're using their Swiffers.
There you go. What else? Anything we wanted to see?
Well, they passed the clock test. They passed the dust test. Room looks nice and modern. I will say the room is a cheers. I will say location-wise, a little bit of a jeers, a little bit outside of the Providence area that we were hoping to be at. When it says Providence Downtown, I was hoping for a downtown location, and this is a little bit off the downtown path. So that's a little bit of a jeers, but we'll show you the lobby and show you the pool, and we'll keep posted on what we think. There is a salon and spa located right inside this Marriott as well. So here's just a little look at the entrance. It's on the first floor here. There's a look at their hallways. Carpeting and wallpaper looks a little slightly outdated. There's a look at the spa here.
Oh, this looks nice.
I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see what's going on. What that says there.
You need your correct email address. You want a service, you better give them your credentials.
There's two pools here. There's the outside pool, and there's people inside the indoor pool, so we'll be respectful and not show it, but there's the frosted glass for the indoor pool. And for all you fitness fanatics, here is the gym here at the Providence Marriott. So it's a decent sized gym and a few Pelotons for all you Peloton lovers. Back, if you don't want to spend $5 for the water in the rooms, they have waters in the gym. So just use your room key, grab a few bottles of water. So this is the bar here at the hotel. There's a look at the ambiance here. So reasonable price, a Bud Light's $5.75. So for a hotel bar, that's not bad at all. So we're gonna have one nightcap here, and we're heading right back to the room, right in the lobby, Blue Film Grill.
And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click and subscribe, and be sure to follow us on Jenichel's Journey on Instagram. Another note about this hotel is they do have a free shuttle that will take you to downtown Providence. We had delicious pizza at Providence Coal Fire Pizza, and of course we stopped at a brewery in downtown. Cheers, guys.